Before we start, I just want to share that Purple has a beauty carnival sale from 22nd to 27 June. Do check it out because they have up to 50% off plus a chance to win an iPhone. Wait, an iPhone? Yeah, you heard it right. A chance to win an iPhone using coupon code iPhone12. Wow. And they have few really good offers on their top selling brands like Wow has a flat 40% off on $399 and above. Good Vibes, Take With Key, Alps Goodness, NY Bay has flat 30% off. Maybelline has up to 40% off on their products. It's actually the best time to buy your favorite cosmetics, guys, so do check it out. Don't miss this. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with a simple yet very effective skincare DIYs that I have been following since many years, and I have never had the need to go for expensive cosmetics nor had any skin issues. Thanks to my mom who passed on to me her beauty regime and insisted I should only use natural ingredients and no expensive cosmetics. She was so pretty naturally. Anyways, self-care is the best treatment when it comes to your skin and hair, and believe me, it yields awesome results. In this episode, I'm gonna share few really simple and affordable DIY skin and hair masks using only natural ingredients, which is very easily available. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and I'm sure you won't be disappointed as there are loads of interesting content lined up for you. So stay tuned. Okay, first and foremost, this mask acts as a cleanser and scrubber. For that, I am using green gram lentils powder as the base, for which I have taken 1 cup of green gram dal and 1/4 cup raw rice ground to a coarse powder. Take 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of this green gram dal powder. 1 teaspoon of wild turmeric. I am using Alps Goodness wild turmeric powder here. I have been using this and it's very effective and has excellent aroma. Really good. 3 teaspoons of raw milk. If you do not have sensitive skin, you may also add few drops of lemon here, but for sensitive skin, no lemon. I'm not using it here. Just add 3 teaspoons of raw milk to this and mix it really well. Mix all the ingredients really well until you get a smooth paste-like consistency. Now wash your face with just water and apply this paste all over the neck and face and massage in circular movements. Keep it on for 15 minutes. Wild turmeric is excellent for skincare, guys, as it acts as antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It helps in detanning and lightening the skin tones and also in brightening the skin. It also helps in reducing blemishes, acne and heat boils. Use only wild turmeric, as the foremost characteristic of wild turmeric is it doesn't stain the skin and is best in treating skin issues. Green gram flour helps in scrubbing off the dead cells from the skin and thereby revealing a brighter and even skin tone. It also improves complexion. Milk nourishes the skin. After 15 minutes, wash your face with cool water. Now time to apply the mask. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of rice powder. You can also use besan here. To that I added 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. I'm using Alps Goodness hibiscus powder here, which is really good. I have used it multiple times. You guys know I won't recommend anything if I'm not satisfied. So this one is really good. So you can give it a try. And to this I added 2 teaspoons of curd and 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients very well and add a few drops of water to get a paste-like consistency. Now apply this mask all over the face and neck, avoiding eye area and mouth. Hibiscus powder gives a Botox effect to the skin naturally, which is basically erasing the wrinkles and tightening the skin for a youthful look. It is rich in vitamin C and helps in stimulating collagen levels. What happens is when collagen levels are high, the skin feels soft, smooth and firm. Rice flour brightens the skin tone. Honey is a natural humectant, so it keeps the skin moist but not oily. It also helps open pores, which in turn helps clear away dirt. It is antibacterial and is very effective in the prevention and treatment of acne. After 30 minutes, wash off your face with normal or slightly cool water. Do not use soap for the next 4 hours, and there you go with a super soft, clear, brighter skin. And guys, kindly check the description for the details on the giveaway. We are very near to announcing the winners. 2 winners will be announced on the 1st of July. So if you're new here, check the description for details on the giveaway. Also, if you like this content, please do give it a like, means a lot to me, and consider subscribing. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support. It really means a lot to me. Now for the hair mask, I have taken 1.5 teaspoons of hibiscus powder. I'm using Abs Goodness hibiscus powder here. It's really good guys. 3 teaspoons of fresh curd. And a few drops of lemon with a little water as needed. Mix it thoroughly until smooth and apply it on the scalp, taking partitions using comb or fingers. Mix it to a really smooth consistency and apply it on the scalp, taking partitions with comb or fingers. Hibiscus powder is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids and antioxidants. It beautifies your hair by nourishing your hair follicles and thereby promoting healthy and luscious hair. Curd acts as a conditioner and lemon helps in effective removal of dandruff. In fact, when you apply plain lemon drops onto hair and after washing, you literally feel a clean scalp. So lemon is very effective in treating dandruff and getting rid of itchy scalp. Apply it thoroughly, covering the entire scalp. Cover it with a shower cap or any plastic cover and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with paraben-free shampoo or Shika and you will literally feel a beautiful and silky hair. Also guys, Purple has a beauty carnival from 22nd to 27 June. Up to 50% off and a chance to win an iPhone using coupon code iPhone12. Kindly check the description for more details on this. For acne and pimple treatment, take a teaspoon of pure sandalwood powder and a few drops of rose water. I'm using Abs Goodness sandalwood powder and rose water here. You can actually know if the sandalwood is pure with the aroma of it. Mix it nicely and apply on the acne, pimples and heat boils and leave it on for 45 minutes. Then wash with normal water. Do this religiously for a month guys and you will certainly see excellent results, mark my words. Apply it only on the acne, pimples and heat boils. You will have definitely beautiful results after a month. And that's it guys, it's that simple. Please do try these when you have time. No, actually take time for self-care, it's very important. When you look good, you also feel good. So if you like the content, please give it a like, it means a lot to me. Consider subscribing and share this video if you feel it's worth sharing. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.